Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to make a video call on Line app. So first of all, open the Line application on your device. You can see over here Line application has been opened. Tap on the chats option that you can see at bottom. Now you'll be led to the chats interface. You'll be able to see various chats over here. Simply tap on the chat of your choice. Now that particular chat will be opened over here. So if you want to make the video call, tap on the call icon that you can see at the top. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find two options: voice call, video call. Tap on this option, video call. Now you can see over here you being able to video call. Simply wait for that person to receive the call. After that, you'll be able to video call with them. You'll also be able to use the filters and backgrounds in the video call. So like this, you'll be able to make a video call. So that is how you make a video call on Line app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.